Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today, my students, we are going to deal with Unit 14 grammar. The grammar of Unit 14 is talking about how questions, to make questions using how and how plus adjective. How plus adjective. Adjectives like what? To use tall, short, fat, cold, high. All these are adjectives. If I use any adjective of these with how, I can make what? I can make a question. We call it how question. How cold, how tall, how short, how fat, how thin, yes, how high, how long. Let's see some examples now of these adjectives, of these questions. How questions. Look at this. Yes, look at these examples. How hot, how cold, how high. How big, how tall, how short, how fat. Yes. How wide, how long. All these are question words with how. But how can I use them? It depends on the sentence I'm asking a question about. Now let's practice some exercise to make questions using how. Now, as you see, make question using how. So how can I choose how tall or how long or how wide or how far? How can I choose? At first, let's read the sentence. The Red Sea is 2,253 kilometer long. Kilometer long. Yes. So I look at this word 53 kilometer long. Yes. Look at this adjective long. So I will make a question using how what? How long. And after that what? How long? The Red Sea is how long? Is what? The Red Sea. Now I formed a question using how long. How long is the Red Sea? Second one, Mount Everest is 8.843. How can I make a question about this sentence? Yes. Again, look at the last adjective high. So I can make a question using how. How what? What's the adjective here? How high. Yes. Again, is. How high is? Is what? Mount Everest. Yes. Next one. The Arabian Gulf is 207 kilometers wide. Look at the adjective here, wide. So I can make a question using how wide. How wide what? Yes, the Arabian Gulf is, so how wide is the Arabian Gulf. Last example. Mecca is 300 kilometers from Medina. Yes, Mecca is 300 kilometers from Medina. Now I am talking about the distance between Mecca and Medina. Yes, the question word here is how far. How far is Mecca? How far is Mecca from what? From Medina. So the most important thing when you form a question word using how and the adjective, to read the sentence carefully and know what is the adjective mentioned in the sentence, or what is the suitable adjective suitable for the sentence I'm going to ask a question about. Long or high or tall or high. or the distance, talking about the distance, how far, as the last example, Mecca is 300 kilometers from Al-Madinah. I asked using what, how far. Thanks, my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.